Welcome back, guys, to Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the stars of the show. I wonder, am I in my house? Do I go at the store? Or is it on the right channel? In, on, and at. These are prepositions, and for most English language learners, it can be very difficult to use. So that's why I'm making this video. Interested? Great! Let's watch. Hit it! Question of the week. Profe Angela, can you talk about the words in, on, and at? Thank you. Ping Lin, China. Well, Ping Lin, the words in, on, and at are prepositions that show a relationship between two words in a sentence, which is usually a noun or pronoun. For example, Sam left his jacket in the car. The apple is on the table. They will arrive at midnight. When English speakers talk about time and place, these three little words are often used. For example, preposition of time. We will leave in 5 minutes. Her birthday is on May 15th. They eat lunch at 12 o'clock. Preposition of place. Samantha will be in the car. We had dinner on the plane. I will wait at the bus stop. And now for specific and general. For describing time and place, the prepositions in, on, and at go from general to specific. For example, when using prepositions of time from general to specific, it means speaking on a scale from large to small. For example, in April, on Monday, and at midnight. When using prepositions of place for general to specific, the same rule applies. For example, in the city, on the street, or at home. English speakers use in to refer to a general, longer period of time, such as months, years, decades, or centuries. For example, prepositions of time. General. I am going on vacation in April. Moving to shorter, more specific periods of time, we use on to talk about specific days, dates, and holidays. For example, preposition of time, less general, more specific. I went to work on Monday. For the most specific times and for holidays, without the word day, we use at. For example, preposition of time, specific. Meet me at midnight. When English speakers refer to place, we use in for the longest or most general places. For example, preposition of place, most general. My job is located in Washington, D.C. For more specific places like certain streets, we use the preposition on. For example, preposition of place, less general, more specific. He lives on Pennsylvania Avenue in Washington, D.C. Finally, we get to the most specific places. For exact addresses or intersections, we use the preposition at. For example, preposition of place, most specific. Come to my office at 330 Independence Avenue.
Now for this week's sentence challenge.
Make a sentence featuring in, on, or at. Now remember, for describing time and place, the prepositions in, on, and at go from general to specific. And if you need help, review the tips in this video and practice. Hey Penguin! Thank you so much for the amazing question that you asked about the prepositions in, on, and at. And good luck you guys on this week's sentence challenge. Remember, if you need help, just type your question in the comment box below and I will give you a quick reply. Alright guys, that's it on this week of Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the stars of your English language learning experience. And remember, if you're my English language warriors, hit that like button. And if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button and become a part of the APA family. I hope you have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you next time. Ciao!